For letter C, we need to solve the next matrix. C, horizontal contraction to half its original. So, what original? The original matrix that we did on the first part. That is this one for the Ext4 logo. So we're going to use this matrix and to do to multiply those matrices. It will be 0.5, 0, 0, and 1. In this case, as we see in this matrix, we can assume that the X bar will be used only in this part, and this part we are going to use only the Y part. So we can do it faster. So C11, in this case, we are multiplying these two by these two, horizontal with vertical. So it's 0.5 multiplied by minus 2, adding 0 plus 3, that is this one. So we can assume that only eliminate this part. We are going to use only X. It's minus 1. So C11 is minus 1. We can do it faster. 1, 2, it's the next one. It's minus 1.75. The next one is C13. It's minus 0.75. As the same as the next one. C15 is the same as this one. C16 is the same as the first one. It's minus 1. C17, it's minus 0.1. C18, it's equal to minus 0.75. C19, it's equal to 0.75. So C1/10 is going to be 0 because we have 0 here. The next one, C111, it's minus 0.75. C112, 0.75. C113, it's 0 because we have a 0 here. For the next X, it's C114 equals to 0.1. C113 equals to 1. C114, 1.75. C115, it's 1. C116 equals to 0.5. C117 equals to 1. C119 equals to 1. C120 equals to 1.5, and C121 equals to 1. So the next part, it's easy because we are going only to eliminate the x part of all the matrix, and we are going to only use the same value of the y part. So we can assume that we are only going to use these ones that are different. So the new matrix of C will be we're going to call it matrix C. It will be -1 for this part and the 3 of this original. -1.75 and 0.2 minus 0.75 and 0.2 again, minus 0.75 and minus 0.2 minus 1.75 and 0.2 minus 1 and minus 3 minus 0.1 and 0 minus 0.75 and 3 0.75 and 3 0 and 0.5, these remain the same, minus 0.75 and minus 3 0.75 and 3, and we continue below. 0 and minus 0.5. The next part will be 0, 1, 0.1, 0, 1 and 3, 1.75 and 0, 1 and minus 3, 0.5 and 0, 1 and 2, 1.5 and 0, and the last one will be 1 and minus 2. This will be the matrix of the C exercise. This will be the horizontal contraction to half its original.